Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for dictation. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I support this bill. I congratulate the Honorable Minister of Health for bringing this bill. I hope the Health Minister is strong enough for implementing this bill effectively. This food adulteration and drug adulteration are very serious crimes. The offenders, like adulterants and adulterators, are both anti national and anti social without any doubt. There are many kinds of adulterations. There are factories running for the manufacture of small stones in some towns. These factories are producing small stones to be mixed with rice. I have been affected by it. Many people in India are affected by it. Therefore, I would request the government to take very stringent action on these anti national and anti social elements, the adulterators, and about adulterants also. There are so many kinds of adulteration. There is adulteration in milk. Nowadays, I cannot say whether the milk vendors are pouring water into milk or they are actually pouring milk into water. This is the extent of adulteration. I have seen it in many cities and also in villages. There is adulteration in tea leaves and in coffee powder. There is adulteration in mutton by mixing beef. There is adulteration in ghee. You are all aware of these things. There is adulteration in cold drinks also. Adulteration is no doubt a serious crime. It should be out to a stop by the government under these special circumstances under the present government. I would like to ask the Honorable Minister to advise the governors in the states to implement the provisions of this bill very strictly and to punish adulterators in rice and in many essential commodities. Even in drugs, there is adulteration. Many children, men, and women are killed on account of large scale adulteration, but the action is very poor. The baby food is also adulterated. In the case of drugs, I would request the Honorable Minister to bring an amendment in the Drugs Act to punish severely the adulterators in drugs, to give the maximum punishment of death sentence to the offenders under the Drugs Act for killing human beings. As my honorable friend very correctly pointed out, the adulteration is not an offense which is suddenly committed by these people. It is done in a pre-planned manner with an ulterior motive, with bad intentions, and with most criminal intentions. Even ordinary murderers under section 302 of the IPC are given death sentence. Stop.